In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Map in Hostinger Website Builder. To get started, open your Hostinger account and go to the website you want to edit. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Edit Website. This will open the Hostinger Website Builder, so you can make changes directly on the page and see everything visually as you work. After the editor loads, the next thing you need to do is add a space where the map will go. To do that, click Add Section. From the available section options, choose Blank Section. Using a blank section is helpful here because it gives you a clean area to work with, without extra text or design elements already placed on the page. That makes it much easier to position your map exactly where you want it. Once the blank section has been added, click Elements. This is where you'll find the different content blocks you can insert into your site. From there, select Map. As soon as you add it, the map element will appear inside the section you just created. Now take a moment to adjust its position. You can move it within the section and place it where it fits best with the rest of your page layout. Make sure it looks balanced and easy for visitors to notice. If your page already has contact information or a location section, placing the map nearby usually creates a cleaner and more useful design. After positioning the map, click Edit Map. This is where you'll set up the address that should appear on the map. Enter the correct location carefully so visitors are directed to the right place. This step is especially important if you want customers or clients to find your business easily. If you have more than one location, you can also duplicate the map instead of starting over from scratch. Duplicating the map can save time because the element styling and size will already be in place. After duplicating it, simply update the address for the additional location. Once everything looks right and the address has been set, click Update Website to save and publish your changes. That's it. Your Google Map will now be added to your Hostinger website and visible to your visitors. As a final tip, always preview the page before finishing to make sure the map is placed properly and the address is correct. A well-positioned map can make your website more helpful, more professional, and easier for visitors to use.